Ideogram has just launched an amazing feature, and that is character. Using that, you can simply use one of your images and generate yourself into amazing different scenes. You can even use the custom prompts also. If you want to try this, the link is in the description section below. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you log into the Ideogram, just come over here and click on the character. Here you have the option to create your own character. So you can use the camera, or you can upload image, or you can choose the creations which you have already generated some images. So I would prefer that you upload one clear image of yourself like I did, and then you can click over here. It would show all of your previous generation. Just click on the show all files, and then you can just import any of your image. I have already did that, and then I have just clicked on this one and renamed the character as me, or you can just type in anything you want. Once you have done that, just select that, and that would come over here as a reference image, and here you can just type your custom prompt and it would generate the image like this. I've already done this using the custom prompts, so you will get the result like these. Okay, so these are all custom prompts which I have done, and you can see it has done the amazing job. But the good thing is there are certain templates pre-made for you, so you don't have to just write the prompt or find out what to write in the prompts. So here are the templates. Just click on these, and these would give you just simple amazing styles pre-made for you. You can select any of these. So let me just select this one, and I can choose different aspect ratio from here. Here is a variety of aspect ratio, and then you can choose number of images, whether you want 4 images, 2 images, or 3 images. By default it's 4, so let it be 4, and you can choose the latest model, that is the 3.0. and then we have the magic prompt generation on or off. You can just keep it on for the moment, and style doesn't matter because we have already selected a template and it has generated that prompt accordingly. Simply I have to click on the generate, and it would start processing, and you can see it has started putting that into the queue, and it has already started generating images, and within few seconds you will get your image. Let's see what it comes up with. So you can see this is quite different which we have expected. So you can see, but it has at least created, it has used my image or my face. So this is what it has done. Let's go back, and this time let's go for the template. This time I'm going to turn off the magic prompt off. Okay, and I'm going to choose the template. This time I'm gonna choose, let's say, cyberpunk stroll. So I've selected that. Now the prompt is already filled by this one, and simply click on the generate, and let's see, wait for the moment what it comes up with. And boom, it has generated these amazing in the cyberpunk style. This is too weird. I have got 3 hands, which is weird. That second one, this one is looking amazing. This is usable, and this one is also good. Let's try this one. Yeah, this one is also good. So if you are happy with that, you can just download it. Let's try some other options or other styles. Let's go to the template, and this time I'm gonna, let's say, try this one, but that's for the queen, so I'll go for this one. Let's say this artistic style, a statue. So I'll go for this one and click on the generate, and let's see what happens. And boom, it has generated statues which I don't like. This doesn't look like the statues in any way. All right, but okay, some of the templates are not good, and sometimes it doesn't work. So let's go to another one, and let's try this one. Okay, and it has filled the prompts. Click on the generate and wait. Boom, you can see it has generated this image, and this is good, looking good, and this one is also looking good and good. Yes, so you can pick any of these. Let's try another style. Go to the templates, and this time I'm gonna see, let's say this one, the medieval villain. Okay, and generate, and boom, it has given this style. This is not the artistic style, but still it looks good. The second one is this one. Okay, that's also good. This one is also just amazing, and the third one is not good. Okay, only 2 images which are in the right style. So let's try another one, and this time I'll go for the Superman. Let's see whether it would be able to make me Superman or not. Comment yes or no. You have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's the result. Okay, it doesn't look like me, but yes, it has made somewhat similar to me. Okay, let's go back, try another one. Okay, I think I have reached the limits. So these are the 0 character generation limit are gone. You can just then try different options. Okay, you can go for any of these styles. There are so many pre-made styles which will help you get the desired result. Okay, again, this is good feature, and if you want to try it out, the link is in the description section below. You can try it for free, and Ideogram gives you many free credits every single day, so you can still use many features of it. What do you want to see next? Just let me know in the comments.